troubles I see. My sorrow. Are you okay?
Yes.
So are we still gonna do the shopping then?
Why you just leave me alone, Joseph? Stop bothering me now. Give me some peace and quiet. Can't you see I'm not in the mood? Leave me alone.
Hey, looking at April. I can't take how you treat me like I'm a dog or something in here. I just can't take it, man. Look, not because you lose a baby a couple months ago, you have to keep on depressing yourself like that, you know. Life goes on.
Life goes on to you, Joseph. You are okay. You don't even show me any compassion. My child will be 7 months now.
Look here, bro. You're driving us apart, you know. Can't you see? We don't even make love anymore.
Why did you not get out, Joseph?
April. Why are we behaving like this? We shouldn't be behaving like this, you know, baby. We are God's children. Look, we love each other. We need each other even more now. Baby, let's stop all this. Please. Darling, let's go and get some food. I love you so much, man.
I love you too, Joseph. But you just have to be patient. Just give me time. Have mercy, Lord. Not again. Look, nobody don't have to tell me what's happening here. I know already. You all right, Joseph? Look, me go talk to the two I want to know. Joseph, I know it must be rough on you. I know a lot of the time them April they bark after you. Because she do it to me too. But what she need now, Joseph, is all the supports that you can give her. This is not easy time for a woman to go through, you know. And no matter how you feel after the loss of the baby, you will never feel the same as she. Her feeling is different. So, even when you know say you're right, you're wrong. And accept it, say you're wrong. I know it is tough on you, Joseph. But if you love your wife, nothing in this world is too tough for you if it is to help your wife. This is what a marriage is all about. This is what we call union. When you're married, the pastor will ask you if you will still love her in sickness and in health, for better or for worse. Me the turn way back, and me hear you shout out, I do. So now you feel do. guidance counselor. Me is not a marriage guidance counselor. But when something go wrong, me know. Me feel. Joseph, bear with your wife. It may be long, but it's not forever. What a set of crosses.